A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online video classes. It's time to start the second term portion. So today, let's start with the chapter 8 article. The word a and the are called articles. The articles a and or the are adjectives because they qualify nouns. The articles can be divided into two. The first, indefinite articles a and an, and the second, definite article the. Let's first look at the use of indefinite article a and an in more detail. The use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the noun, not on the actual letter with which it begins. We know that the letter of the alphabet a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. The remaining letters are called consonants. We use the article a before a noun that begins with the consonant sound. We use the article an before a noun that begins with the vowel sound. We can use some examples to understand the use of the indefinite articles a or an better. For example, a door. The noun door begins with the consonant sound. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a before it and say a door. Another example, a uniform. The noun uniform begins with the vowel, but it begins with the consonant sound. Therefore, we use a before it and say a uniform. Another example, an orange. The noun orange begins with the vowel sound. Therefore, we use an before it and say an orange. The indefinite article a or an is used only with singular countable nouns. It does not identify a specific noun, which means it does not refer to any particular person, place or thing. For example, I found a 100-rupee note on the road. In this sentence, the indefinite article a is used before the singular countable noun 100-rupee note. So, I found only 100-rupee note. Another example, a girl was eating an orange. So, here we are not referring any particular girl or any particular orange. Therefore, a is used before girl and an is used before orange. I hope you have understood the uses of indefinite articles a and an. Once again, go through it. Thank you, children.